Are you ready to revolutionize your mornings and transform your entire day? Imagine waking up feeling vibrant, energized, and ready to conquer anything. This isn't just a dream, it's entirely achievable with a simple, powerful morning detox routine. This routine is designed to skyrocket your energy levels from the moment you open your eyes. It's about more than just feeling awake, it's about sustained, natural vitality that lasts all day long. You'll experience a profound improvement in your digestion, feeling lighter and more comfortable. Get ready to unlock your body's natural fat-burning potential. This isn't about restrictive diet, it's about optimizing your metabolism from the very start of your day. The best part? You can achieve all these incredible benefits before lunchtime even rolls around. This isn't some complicated, time-consuming regimen. It's based on a simple, incredibly effective 3-step process. We're going to tackle those common morning pitfalls head-on, turning your weakest moments into your strongest. Let's be honest, many of us start our days on the wrong foot. Do you reach for that coffee on an empty stomach, hoping it will kickstart your system? While it might give you a jolt, it can also lead to energy crashes later. Perhaps your breakfast consists of sugary cereals, pastries, or quick fixes that offer little nutritional value. These choices set you up for a roller coaster of daily energy fluctuations. You feel a brief high, followed by an inevitable slump. Many people wake up already dehydrated, even after a full night's sleep. This common morning issue contributes significantly to fatigue and brain fog. That sluggish feeling you experience isn't just tiredness, it's often a sign your body needs a reset. And let's not forget the stress that can creep in the moment your alarm goes off. Rushing, worrying, and feeling unprepared can set a negative tone for your entire day. It's time to break free from these patterns. The solution is a powerful morning reset, designed to optimize your body from the inside out. This routine prioritizes deep hydration, ensuring your cells are nourished and functioning optimally. It focuses on nutrient intake, giving your body the building blocks it needs for peak performance. Crucially, it prioritizes metabolic support, turning your body into an efficient fat-burning machine. This isn't just about weight loss, it's about sustained energy and overall well-being. Get ready to feel the difference. Now, let's dive into the heart of this transformation, the 3-step morning detox process. Each step builds on the last, creating a synergistic effect that will leave you feeling incredible. This is where the magic truly happens. Step 1. Hydrate immediately upon waking. This is perhaps the most crucial step, yet it's often overlooked. As soon as you wake up, before you do anything else, reach for a glass of water. The action is simple. Drink 16 to 20 ounces of warm water. Warm water is gentler on your system and can be absorbed more efficiently than cold water. It's a soothing way to reawaken your body. For an added boost, squeeze half a lemon into your warm water. Lemon provides a gentle detoxifying effect and is packed with vitamin C. It's a simple addition that makes a big difference. The immediate benefit is profound rehydration for your entire body. After hours of sleep, your body is in a state of dehydration. This water replenishes your cells and kickstarts your internal systems. It also helps to gently flush out toxins that have accumulated overnight. Think of it as an internal shower, cleansing your system and preparing it for the day ahead. This simple act sets a positive tone. Step 2. Fuel with a nutrient-packed detox drink. This is where you infuse your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's a powerful way to nourish your cells and boost your energy. The action here is to blend greens, fruits, and a powerful anti-inflammatory like ginger or turmeric. Think spinach, kale, berries, a banana, and a knob of fresh ginger. This combination is a nutritional powerhouse. This vibrant drink provides an incredible anti-inflammatory boost. It helps reduce inflammation throughout your body, which is key for overall health, energy, and even weight management. It's a delicious way to flood your system with goodness. For those busy mornings, or if you want an extra edge, consider a convenient option like pre-made boosters. We highly recommend exploring something like Ikaria Juice. It's specifically formulated to support fat burning and energy. Ikaria Juice is packed with potent ingredients designed to optimize your metabolism and curb cravings. It's a fantastic way to ensure you're getting those vital nutrients even when time is tight. Just mix and enjoy. It's a simple addition that can amplify the benefits of your detox drink, making it even more effective for weight management and sustained energy. Think of it as your secret weapon for a leaner, more energetic you. Step 3. Ignite your metabolism. This final step is about optimizing your body's fat-burning engine and ensuring sustained energy throughout the day. It's about turning your body into a powerhouse. One powerful action is to use a metabolism-boosting supplement like Java Burn in your morning coffee. Java Burn is a tasteless powder that dissolves instantly, enhancing the fat-burning effects of your coffee without changing its flavor. It works by targeting your metabolism at a cellular level, helping your body burn fat more efficiently. This means more energy and better weight management, all from your favorite morning brew. It's a game changer for many. Alternatively, you could opt for a probiotic boost from a high-quality supplement like LeanBiome. LeanBiome focuses on balancing your gut microbiome, which is crucial for metabolism, digestion, and overall well-being. A healthy gut is a happy gut, and a happy gut means better nutrient absorption and improved energy levels. LeanBiome helps optimize your gut flora, supporting your weight loss journey and boosting your vitality. Both Java Burn and LeanBiome provide sustained energy throughout the day, preventing those dreaded midday slumps. They work with your body's natural processes to keep you feeling vibrant and focused. Choose the option that best suits your needs. To amplify the benefits of this routine even further, let's add a couple of bonus habits. These small additions can make a huge difference in your overall well-being and mindset. They are simple, yet powerful. First, while you're hydrating with your warm lemon water, take 5 deep, intentional breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold for a moment, and exhale completely through your mouth. This simple practice helps to center yourself. It calms your nervous system, reduces morning stress, and sets a peaceful tone for your day. It's a moment of mindfulness that grounds you before the day's demands begin. Just 5 breaths can make a world of difference. Second, move your body for just 5 to 10 minutes. This doesn't have to be an intense workout. It could be some gentle stretching, a few yoga poses, or even a short, brisk walk around your home or yard. Movement wakes up your muscles, gets your blood flowing, and releases endorphins. It boosts your mood and prepares your body for activity, enhancing your energy levels naturally. Even a few minutes can be incredibly impactful. Are you ready to take control of your mornings and transform your health? We've made it easy for you to get started and continue your journey. We have some incredible resources waiting for you. First, you can download our free 7-day Clean Start Plan. This comprehensive guide provides a step-by-step roadmap to implement this detox routine and more. It's packed with tips, recipes, and motivation to keep you on track. This plan is your ultimate companion for a successful detox journey. It will help you integrate these habits seamlessly into your life, making them second nature. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Second, explore our recommended wellness boosters that can supercharge your results. For targeted fat burning and metabolic support, check out Ikaria Juice. It's a powerful addition to your morning routine. For an effortless metabolism boost with your coffee, Java Burn is an absolute must-try. It's designed to optimize your body's fat-burning potential without any extra effort. Just add it to your cup. And for comprehensive gut balance and overall well-being, LeanBiome is your go-to probiotic solution. A healthy gut is the foundation of a healthy body, and LeanBiome helps you achieve just that. We are confident that you will feel a significant difference in your energy levels and overall well-being within just 1 week of consistently following this routine. Imagine the possibilities when you feel this good every single day. Don't wait another moment to reclaim your energy, boost your metabolism, and transform your health. Start your morning detox routine today and step into a more vibrant, energetic, and empowered you. Your best self is waiting.